We are in our project. Markers are visible in Knit, so tap Knit if needed. Every page has both a row marker and a stitch marker. The row marker slides up and down. The stitch marker slides side to side. In Edit, you can set the color and width of the marker, and marker settings are unique for each page. Markers always stay in place as you zoom and scroll. To customize your markers, tap Edit. Tap the marker button on the right. Use the slider at the bottom to adjust the width of the marker. You can also set the transparency and color for the marker, and the row marker can be inverted. This inverted marker is a very popular Casey option, and as you can see, it makes it very easy for your eye to stay on track, and working color charts becomes a breeze. You can also turn off markers for any page, but if you do, remember you won't see them until you turn them back on. When you're ready to start knitting, tap Knit.